Alright, here's what we got today for sprinkler repair. I had to cut this guy off. This ancient sprinkler head was rusted in. Cut the T out. So we're gonna have to put in this expanding coupler with a new T, and then get a new sprinkler system hooked up in here. Actually, I'm gonna do it over there. Sprinkler will be on the left side there. So let's get started. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is prime and cement the T to the expansion part of the coupling, and prime the OD of this and the ID of the T that's going in. Yeah, this one. Go ahead and put this on and snug it in there with a quarter turn or so. Doesn't really matter. Next, I'll go ahead and prime and glue, cement the T onto this 1/2 inch of the PVC in ground. Let's go ahead and prime that first. Internally. And it's a tight fit here because for some reason back in the day they put an additional set of pipes right next to it, giving me about a 1/2 inch or so to work with. Kind of sucks. Go ahead and glue you in. Some glue in here. Hopefully everybody's happy. Go ahead and shove this in here. And that's in all the way. Hold it for a few seconds. Then we're going to go ahead and prime best I can the remaining in-ground pipe. And I got some dirt on here. It's not good. Alright, go ahead and expand that out into this hole. Well, it's tough. Let that cure for a bit, and then we'll move on to the sprinkler session. Alright, I installed a Rainbird 1800 360 spray pattern, and let the cement and everything cure, hopefully. I'm gonna go ahead now and fire up the sprinkler and see if there are any leaks, make sure everything's running okay before I backfill it all up and bury it up, and then hopefully get the ground level close to the level of the sprinkler head.